Yo, eto yung post natin 3 days ago. Ang daming nag-react. Pero meron akong na-notice at nabase sa reaction sa comment. Eto ang kanyang comment. Si Ma'am Reyna Alayon Kim. Ma'am, thank you and shout out sa iyo. Salamat sa comment and salamat din sa info. Okay, sa video kasi nabanggit ni Bill Gates about malaria and paano siya nakatulong sa malaria prevention. Eto ang comment ni Ma'am Reyna. Malaria, si Bill Gates may sariling farm ng mosquito. Siya yung nag-unang gumawa para ipakalat ang malaria through this lamok. Will be spread in the whole world at pagka-dengue ang tao, ilit iyan siya, demonic na hayop iyan. From reptile family yan, Antichrist. Okay, let's not get into yung demonic, yung Antichrist, yung gano'n. Let's see if totoo yung sinabi ni Ma'am na meron siyang, si Bill Gates, merong farm ng mosquito na nag-spread ng disease. Eto, tingnan natin. Kaya agad-agad nag-search agad tayo kung totoo ba talagang mayroong mosquito farm si Bill Gates. At eto ang na-discover natin. Eto, sa Bill Gates Notes. And pag-open mo ng site na ito, makikita mo yung siya talaga ang publish by Bill Gates, August 15, 2022. Yan. So, this factory breeds 30 million mosquitoes per week. Per week, 30 million mosquitoes. Why? These mosquitoes are allies in the fight against dengue and other deadly virus. Allies to fight against dengue, not to infect dengue. Okay, tingnan natin. So, it is located in Medellin, Colombia. Scientists work long hours in Maggie labs breeding millions and millions of mosquitoes. For what? They release them across country to breed with wild mosquitoes that can carry dengue. So yung mga wild mosquitoes na mayroong dengue and other viruses threatening to sicken and kill the population of Colombia. So parang i-reverse niya or pipigilan niya. It's not clear. So ito, tingnan na lang natin yung presentation nila.
Hi, I'm Scott O'Neill here in Medellin, Colombia today, and I'm at the world's biggest mosquito factory for the World Mosquito Program. We're making in here 30 million mosquitoes a week. Come and have a look. We're doing it for a very serious reason. Cities like Medellin have suffered from diseases like dengue, Zika, chikungunya for decades, but not anymore. We've been able to bring the solution of Wolbachia mosquitoes to this city.
Take note, he mentioned solution and the term Wolbachia mosquito. Eto, tingnan natin kung paano nga ba makakatulong ang mosquito makasugpo at makapigil ng mga virus na kumakalat galing sa mosquito. Eto.
When this bacteria called Wolbachia gets introduced into the mosquito, it stops their ability to transmit dengue. We release mosquitoes that have Wolbachia. Now they go and mate, and Wolbachia gets passed into the wild mosquito population. If we're going to control these diseases in all the tropical cities of the world, it's going to require a lot of mosquitoes.
So dito sa factory na ito, yung mga mosquito na pinapalaki at pinaparami nila, ini-injecta nila ng bakterya. Ang pangalan ng bakterya is Wolbachia. Ang trabaho ng Wolbachia is ibablock nila ang pag-transmit ng mga dengue viruses sa Zika, chikungunya, dengue, and yellow fever to humans. So pipigilan niya. Take note, hindi ito vaccine para sa tao ha. Ang i-injecta nito yung mga mosquito. Lalagyan sila ng Wolbachia bacteria. Ang gagawin nila, once na-inject na yung Wolbachia bacteria doon sa mosquito, i-release sila sa wild and para mag-mate sila, mag-reproduce sila sa wild mosquito para dadami yung Wolbachia bacteria para mapigilan, matransmit yung mga viruses at sa mga bacteria sa tao.
Each one of these strips, these tiny black dots, are up to 10,000 mosquito eggs. This tray, we've got the newly hatched eggs. They're little larvae, so small you can hardly see them, until they look like these ones over here. They're starting to turn into pupae. We're wanting to do the next step, sorting the males from the females. We want to do that so we can manipulate the sex ratio in the cages to be more female than male. The bottom ones along here are the boys, and the ones at the top are the girls. They're bigger. From here, they're going into the adult cages. We have adults that we continuously grow in what we call our brood stock. And then over here, we have the mass-produced mosquitoes getting ready to give us the eggs to go out directly into the field. It's crazy how they sound. Once the mosquitoes are grown, they're ready to go out into the field. The first way is to get the eggs and package them in a gelatin capsule with food. Voila. There's 300 eggs in here and enough food for the mosquitoes to be able to grow. They just need to be dropped in water. The other approach is to take the adults themselves. Here we have 300, and they can be released off the back of a motorbike or even packaged into a drone for aerial release. Over half the world's population is currently suffering or at risk of contracting these diseases. We have a solution, and our goal is to scale and deliver it to communities around the world that need it.
So ayan, yes, merong mosquito farm si Bill Gates. Pero ang purpose ng farm or ng mosquito production nila is to stop the transmission of the viruses such as dengue, Zika, chikungunya, and yellow fever. So ang naging approach nila sa solution is eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. Ibig sabihin, naging problem yung mosquito, ang naging solusyon nila ay mosquito din. Kaya, yes, it became a solution. And guys, ang Singapore ginagawa na din ito. And it was owned by the government of Singapore. Take note, Singapore yan ha. Hindi yan sila nagbasta-basta gumagawa ng mga karumal-dumal o nakakasama sa kanilang mga kababayan. So, I think the idea was good and the effect was good.